Want your invoices to look uniquely yours and reinforce your brand? FreshBooks lets you customize your invoice template without needing a designer. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. A professional, branded invoice builds trust and makes your business look established. It's a small detail that makes a big impression. First, go to the Invoices section and click on Customize. Here, you'll enter a world of options. You can upload your logo, choose your brand's color scheme, and select a font that matches your website. You can also edit the fields, adding, removing, or renaming them to suit your business. For example, you might want to change description to service rendered. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: add a personal thank you message. In the customization settings, there's a place for notes. A sincere thank you note not only builds goodwill but can also make clients more likely to pay promptly. Just like that, you've transformed a generic bill into a powerful piece of branded communication. What's the most important element of your brand you'd put on an invoice? Your logo, your colors, or your message? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.